So you can see here that I got a diagram style, and let's say I want to change the layout by not working on it too much. In order to do that, I can simply go to diagram style right here, and you can see that there are different type of styles that I can apply. That's the simple one, that's the default one. Let's apply it, and you can see that it goes back into the main default diagram. You can also apply the willowing, so it's kind of like clouds. There's boxy for more of a formal look right here. There's elliptical for ovals, just like that. And there's mosaic with a combination of different shapes right here, mosaic 2 right here, and starburst, much more like clumps type of a design right here. So now I can go over here, and you can see that I can change any diagram style that like I want. Another thing that you can do is also change the layout right here. So you can go to the layout, and right now it's in default, that is everything is actually squared out from the center right here. So you can also arrange it left to right, right to left right here. That's quite opposite, top to bottom, and it arranges everything out, and you can see that the page expands accordingly, and bottom to top right here. There's also curved lines right here. Let's just go back to default because there are much more information right here, and that's much more manageable, seems much more manageable. And you can also have curved lines as default, or you can have straight lines. Press apply, and every line is straight. Gets more of that formal look right here. So once I do that, you can see that I can also go to the diagram style right here. Let's just go to boxes, apply, and everything seems very formal. So that is how you can use the diagram style and layout option inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.